Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Students, take out your countdown book 3. Today we will do exercise 5D of chapter measurement. So let's start. Students, as you know that we have already done question number 4 and 6, and you already know about the addition and subtraction in liter and milliliter. I also explained you about liter and milliliter in my previous lecture, but again I will revise some important points. Students, first of all, you have to remember that 1 liter is equals 1000 milliliter. Students, L is the abbreviation of liter and ml is the abbreviation of milliliter. So these are the short forms. L is the short form of liters and ml is the short form of milliliter. So students, liter is a larger unit of measuring capacity. So, and milliliter is a smaller unit of measuring capacity. And the capacity is the quantity of liquid a container can hold. You can see in this picture, this cap-free lotion contains 60 ml. It has the capacity of 60 ml. Okay, so the capacity of a container can be described using the name of the container. Students, this is the medicine, and the medicines are measured in milliliter because we only need to take a small amount of it. So this is a medicine, and you can see here milliliter, and because milliliter is a smaller unit of measuring capacity. And students, liter is used for a larger unit. For example, but students, you can see in the water bottles, the bottles of juices, of cold drinks, these have a large unit of measuring capacity. So that's why we measure them in liters. This bottle contains 1.5 liter. Okay students, question number 5, write these in vertical form, then add. Students, first of all we will write it in vertical form and then we will add it. So let's start. Okay, write these in vertical form, then add. Students, you can see this question is written in horizontally. 5 liter to 20 milliliter plus 4 liter and 180 milliliter. So we will arrange them in this way. And students, you can also write it in, also remember ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, so if we write the question in this way or in this way, we will get the same answer. You already done this type of questions in your first term and in your previous class. Okay, you have already done these type of questions. You mentioned place value over the numbers and you add it easily. So in the same way students, these are also the same numbers. Okay, so just start adding it. 0 plus 0 is equals 0. 8 plus 2 is equals 10. So what we will do students, as I told you that when we have two digits we will choose the right digit. So 0 is right digit, we will choose 0 over here and we will move 1 on the next number. So we will write here 0 and 1 will move over here. 1 and 1 is equals 2 and the next number is 5 and 4. Just count on your fingers quickly. Yes, 9. So our answer is 9 liter and 200 milliliter. So students, if we write in our previous method, so we will get the same answer. Just okay, just start adding it also. So I write the number, the same number over here and just start adding it. 0 and 0, 0. We will get the answer 0, 8 and 2. When we will add both of these numbers, we will again get the same answer. So we will choose the 0, and we will move 1 over here. So 1 and 1, yes, 2, and 5 and 4, 9. So students, you can see here we get the same answer, 9 liter 200 milliliter. Here again 9 and 9200. So we get the same answer. Okay, now look at part B, 8 liter 431 milliliter plus 1 liter 399 milliliter. So again I arrange them in both types, okay, because in both ways we get the same answer. So 9 and 1, 10. Again we will choose the right digit 0 over here, and we will move 1 over here. So 9 and 3, 12, 12 and 1, 13. So students, again we will choose the right digit is 3 over here, so we'll choose the right digit 3, and students 1 will move on the next number. So 4 and 3, how many? Just count on your fingers. 7, 7 and 1, 8, and 8 and 1, 9. Okay students, in the same way you can see here both of these numbers are same, so obviously we will get the same answer. 9 and 1, again 10, we will write 0 over here, and 1 will move here. So student, 9 and 3, again 12, 12 and 1, 13, so we will write 3 over here, and we will write 1 here. 4 and 3, 7, and 7 and 1 is equals 8, 8 and 1 is equals 9. So you can see we get the same answer on both sides. So you can do questions, you just think in your mind that these are the previous type of questions, ones, tens, hundred and 1000. So both of these have the similar method. Okay, why I told you both of these method? Because you have, this is your previous method you have done in 2 class. So now you have questions of liter and milliliter. So just arrangement is different, just design is different. Okay, but we will get the same answer over here also. These are simply addition questions. So in the same way students, you will do C and D part on your for practice on your book. The next question is write these in vertical form, then subtract. This is also the same question. First of all, we will arrange this question in liter and milliliter. Okay, so student, I arrange the numbers, and now we will start to subtract it. So 0 minus 0, we will get the answer. So we get the answer 0. And 8 minus 6, just count on your fingers quickly. How many? Yes, 2. Okay students, the next number is 1 minus 3. So you can see that 1 is smaller number and 3 is greater number. So we cannot subtract from a smaller number. So we will take carry from number 6. So 6 will be left 5 because we take carry in 100 size. So it will become 11. And 11 minus 3, just count on your fingers quickly. 8. Okay, and students, 5 minus 2, count on your fingers quickly. How many? 3. So we get the answer 3 liter 820 milliliters. So students, in the same way in ones, tens and hundred and thousand column, I also done the same question. You can see we get the same answer. 0 minus 0 is equal 0. 8 minus 6, 2. This number was small, so smaller, so we take carry from this side. So it will left 5 and it will become 11 as it is. We have done here because both of these have the same numbers, have the same answer. So 11 minus 3, 8, 5 minus 2, 3. So why I told you both of these methods? Because I just want to tell you that this is the same question as you have done in your previous classes. So just don't worry about it. These are simple addition and subtraction questions which have the same method as you have done already in this way, ones, tens, hundred and thousand place. So we get the same answer. So that's why this is similar to this type. Okay students, Okay, the next question is 9 liter 75 milliliter minus 6 liter 225 milliliter. Okay, student, sometime you have two digits and you don't understand how you have to write it here or here. So you just mind in your that the previous method ones, tens, hundred, and thousand, so that you can know that this box is empty. For example, this is 9 liter and 75 milliliter. If you write here in 9 liter and 75 milliliter, so sometime by mistake students, you have done mistake in writing 75, you write it here, and the next number 225 you write 2, 2 and 5, and your 75 is here. So students, just always remember ones, tens, hundred and thousand, so that you so that you know that this is empty space and you fill it with 0. So in this way, for example, if you feel any problem in this type of number, just arrange them in this way so that you can arrange these numbers in correct way. So we write 9 in liter here, and in 75 in 10 space 7, because this is 70, so we write in 10 space 75, and this box was empty and we filled it with 0. In subtraction, this is, in addition, there is no need to write 0 if there is empty box, but in subtraction, if there is any empty box, we will fill it with 0. So let's start. Subtract 5 minus 5 is equal 0, 7 minus 2 5, and 0 minus 2, 0 is smaller digit, so we will take carry from this side. It will left 8 and it will become 10. So 10 minus 2 is equals 8, and 8 minus 6, how many? Just count on your fingers. It's 2. In the same way, students, you just know that both of these have the same number, so you need ones, tens, hundred, and thousand, so that you can arrange your numbers in easy way. Okay, so if you feel any problem, you can write ones, tens, hundred, and thousand over here. Okay, if you don't understand where you have to arrange these one number or two numbers, so you just write here ones, tens, hundred, and thousand, so that you can easily arrange the numbers. That's why I told you this method. You just also think in your mind this method, ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. This method is used to, so that you can arrange the numbers in correct way. Okay, so for these questions also, for kilogram, gram, for meter, centimeter, and for liter and milliliter questions, when you are arranging the numbers in vertical form, just write over here ones, tens, hundred, and thousand, so that you can arrange the numbers correctly. Students, I hope you understand. If you feel any problem according to these questions, you can tell me in comment box. Thanks.